guys, I'm Katie Goodman and I'm excited to offer you several webinars that are going to be coming up over the next few months. The first one will be what I'm referring to as the Quit Your Damn Day Job webinar. It's actually called Ready, Fire, Aim: How to Build a Successful, Creative, Entrepreneurial Life. This is for those of you creative people out there who are frustrated that you can't have the creative life that you want and get paid for it. I'm going to help you figure out the answers to these questions. How do I get the help I need to start my business or grow it? How do I decide when to take a big step and quit my job? Should I keep that day job and do creative work on the side? And how do I keep from burning out? I'm Katie Goodman. I'm an author, a speaker, a comedian, a creativity life coach, and I have been making a living at being a successful creative entrepreneur for over 25 years. In fact, if you want a webinar on how to work well for somebody else, then I am absolutely not the right person for you. I have no idea how to have a boss. I have been working for myself for over 25 years, and to be honest, I actually was not very good at working for somebody else before then. I will walk you through 7 major topics that are important to a creative entrepreneur who wants to take things to the next level. Are you frustrated that you can't be creative most of the time? Are you isolated and unsure how to get your work out there? You know your work is valuable, but you just feel like you're reinventing the wheel when it comes to business, branding, finding your audience, or making everything happen while maintaining a lifestyle you want. In other words, this webinar will help you answer the question, how the hell do you make a living at this stuff? Together in 1 hour, we are going to jumpstart your creative career and get things rolling. You will have the opportunity to sign up for a small group coaching class after the webinar at a reduced rate. But this upcoming webinar is not a sales pitch, it's a class with real takeaways you can start putting into practice immediately to put you on the path you want. In this webinar, you will learn how to define clearly what success looks like to you, spend money to make money without losing your shirt, get the help you need to do what you want, find your perfect mentor, brand yourself, feel confident in your talents, get validation when you need it, get creative and be brilliant at marketing your work, create habits that make everything easier, network and effectively follow up, become an organized, unstressed person. Imagine that. Set boundaries and don't let work take over your life. Create the lifestyle and income you want doing the work you love. So join us by clicking the link and registering for the upcoming webinar. It's free, it's gonna be fun, and you'll be with other like-minded creatives who are just tired of not knowing how to make it all work. Stop trying to figure it all out for yourself. I'm here to help. So come on, let's do it.